Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Today I have a project share and this is what I used. The Winterland by Minte. And I believe all I have left was the 6x6. So I'm trying to use what I have, and I thought this was really pretty. I believe this year I'm going with traditional colors. So this is what I used as far as paper. And the die that I used was one from Scrapdiva Designs, and it is the Present, I think it's called Present die. Not sure, but I didn't use these pieces on the back, but I used all the pieces on the front. So the project that I made was a present caddy. So of course this is the top. Let me see if I can't get that lighting just a little bit better here. Yeah, there's going to be a little shadow anyway. So this is my caddy, and let me turn it this way so you guys can see it. Here is the front of the caddy, and it's got 4 presents, and I've already forgotten what size these boxes are. I believe it's 2 inches. The 2 bigger boxes are 2 inches, and these are 1.5 inches. Or 1.25 inches, it looks like. So anyway, I just thought the die was so cute and I wanted to do something with it. And let me go through the box for you real quick. I did put 2 drawers at the bottom of the caddy, and they do open this way, and I'll show those to you in just a little bit. So I used the little cut aparts to put the words. Oh, and I used the letters, I believe they're called candy cane letters. Anyway, I used the letters as well. So I just spelled out Noel. I used the really small cut aparts that are in the 6x6, and I popped them up on some foam for dimension. And I used some pearls for the feet because, you know, I like my feet. And this is one side of the caddy, and this is the back. Of course, there's nothing fancy on the back, but I did want to go ahead and cover that up. And this side looks like the front side, or like the other side. And the drawers do open up this way, and I went ahead and lined the drawers. Take one out. I went ahead and lined the drawers with red, including the bottom, and they just close that way. And I used a snowflake brad for the little pull handles. And the boxes are double-sided, so here's one side and then here is the other, and I used some mirrored cardstock for the red bows. And the boxes, they are decorated all the way around, and they just open this way. And I did not do anything to the inside of the boxes, but here are the boxes. I think they came out super cute. And then here's the other box. This is the 2.5, or I'm sorry, the 2-inch box. And then these are the 1.25. And as you can see, all the boxes are decorated the same. They're all embellished the same way. And there is this box. And then, of course, the other box as well. And here is the caddy itself. And I went ahead and lined the inside with red as well. You can see the foam on the Noel squares on the front. And there we go. And I just put a center bead just in case it, you know, it gets a little heavy. I don't know, just in case. So there is my caddy for the present boxes. I just think this turned out so cute. I was in the mood for crafting, and this is what, and I really did like that die. So this is what I came up with for that die. All right, guys, I just thought I'd come on here really quickly and share what I have made, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.